Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I have some fantastic new budget-friendly Easter ideas for you today. You are going to love these. First up is a super sweet idea using dollar store cotton candy, these tags that you can download for free on my blog, the little gift bags, and some ribbon. First, you take the cotton candy and divide it up into pieces. I used a serrated knife to take the pink portion of the cotton candy and cut it into 4 pieces. Then I just used my hands to kind of form the cotton candy into a little ball that resembled a bunny tail. Then I grabbed my little gift bags. I put a piece of cotton candy inside each one, tied it up with a bit of ribbon, and added the cute little tag that I designed. I will leave the link in the description below to where you can download these tags on my blog. I just print them like a 4x6 photo, cut it into 3, and that's how I do it. I love these little bags as Easter treats, but you can also use them to make cocktails. They can either be mocktails or cocktails, depending on your audience. So all you do is you take some 7-Up and pour it into a glass, and then you grab the contents of one of your bunny tail bags, pop it in, and watch this really fun reaction as it dissolves. It's really fun. You can stir it up and enjoy it, and it's perfect for Easter. Next up is a simple DIY using these car wash cloths from the automotive section of the dollar store. I made a silhouette of a bunny on cardstock, and I used it as a template to trace out the shape of a bunny onto my cloth. I used a pink Sharpie, which was kind of a mistake because it showed a little bit through the cloth when I put it all together. So I would suggest using something a little lighter, but anyway, that's what I used for this. Then I used really sharp fabric scissors to cut out the bunny. I used that bunny as a template to cut a second bunny silhouette. Once I had the 2 bunny silhouettes, I used hot glue to glue the 2 pieces together. The sides that you're gluing together are going to be the outside of the bunny because we're going to turn this inside out. So I did it section by section. I did the ears first, and then I did the top of the head. I wanted to make sure that the glue didn't have time to dry before I had it all glued together. And the other thing is, don't forget to leave an opening at the bottom because that's where we're going to turn it inside out and put the stuffing. Once the glue is dry, you're going to turn it inside out. And you have to kind of work at it a little bit to make sure you get the ears. It's helpful to have something to help you kind of poke the ears out. But you just keep working at it until the whole thing is inside out. The next step is to stuff the bunny. I use an old pillow. I've been using this dollar store pillow for many projects. It lasts a really long time and it's a lot cheaper than polyfill. So fill the ears, fill the head, fill the body, and keep working at it until it's the desired fluffiness that you want. Next, you're going to want to glue together the bottom of the pillow. So I folded in the edges a little bit and section by section just made sure that I closed that opening. To finish off this soft Sherpa bunny, you're going to want to add a little tail. I made a pom-pom for mine. If you don't know how to make a pom-pom, you can check my blog for a tutorial, or you can just buy one that's already made at the dollar store. Attach the pom-pom with some hot glue, let it dry, and that's it. The last idea I have for you today is so easy. You just grab a pair of these bunny ears from the dollar store. There are tons of different styles. I liked this little glittery one. And you cut off the ears. When I first tried to do it, I had some trouble, but then I realized if you cut the material around the hard plastic and then cut the hard plastic, it's a lot easier. So that's what I ended up doing for these. I did the same thing for the second ear, and it was much easier the second time because I had already figured out the trick of just cutting the material and then cutting the piece of plastic. Then just use some hot glue to seal up the bottom of the two ears. I grab my dollar store tree that I bought at Christmas time and I decorate for different seasons, and I inserted my ears, and that was it. Pretty cute, right? Let me know in the comments which was your favorite idea in this video. Hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.